Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Just a quickie today. I have a big box of slime here. I wanted to share it with you all. All of this was like $3.99 in Home Bargains. Now, I'll flip it over. We have Mega Stretchy, Metallic, Hydro Slimy. They're the three different kinds, and there's only 9 pictures on the back here because 3 of them have been repeated. But that's fine. I got this for a couple of reasons. One, for a slime quest, but 2, because this is all going towards a bigger picture, literally, and a bigger tub of play. I have a couple of ideas for all this slime I'm gathering, but I can't share what they are just yet. I can tell you, however, that I need lots of colours and lots of styles. So let's just have a look at this together, see what you actually get for $3.99. And that'll really be it until I get on with my big plan. So let's just pop them all out. So those 2 are definitely the same. And those 2. Right, so we'll just open these ones for now. Have a look. See what we're getting. So we'll flash forward. This really is just going to be a quick video. I just wanted to share with you all, because this is all going to a bigger picture. Now it's going to both be for the people out there who like, well, 2 pictures. One's going to be for the people out there who like seeing me play with slime and sensory things. And the other one is going to be for my main audience, my art crew. So I'm going to do something, believe it or not, arty with all of this slime I am accumulating. And I have got quite a lot. I'm going to have to start working out where I'm going to store it, get a designated slime box. Because I have got a lot already. Now I'll be on a slime quest for quite a while to find the ultimate slime, and there's always going to be something new slime wise to try. But once I've got enough colours, that's when I can do my arty idea. So I'm guessing this is Hydro Slime, Stretchy, Mega Stretchy, Hydro, I'm believing anyway, and the original is the Metallic. So Hydro Slime is quite that's quite fun. It's got quite a bit. Oh, hey, we're free. Now that's a very transparent, that's like got a hint of colour to it, the Hydro. So what else have we got in Hydro? That one. So let's have a look. So these ones are just going to have a hint of colour to them. And this is it So Slime? What's the brand of this slime? I recently played with Compound Kings. That was amazing slime. What's this one? Just Slimy. Oh, it broke free. And again. So yeah, this is going to be interesting to play with. Doesn't have much of a stretch to it. It probably does if I let it go really, really slowly. And the green. Subtly green. Very, very subtly green. And if I hold it over the white, You can see it's got a real faint green tint to it. So let's look at original metallic, which is, should be these three. No, is that only? That's metallic. That I think is metallic. That definitely isn't. That might be metallic. Oh, it's got it written on it. Okay, that makes it somewhat easier. So, original metallic. What are we looking at? Quite a bit thicker. Oh, that's a really nice colour. Quite a bit more stretch to it as well. Look at that. That's got quite a good feel. That's really nice. Oh, it's going to keep going, isn't it? That's really good. And the orange. Look at that. That's quite impressive. All right, Slimy, you've got some pretty good slime here. Their original's really good. The original metallic. And then what's... This one's meant to be super stretchy. Is it? Because that one was. Alright, yep, fair enough. I can stretch this a lot quicker without it snapping. And it's nice I've got some bold colour. So a lot of my slimes aren't this bold. Now that's quite bold in colour. That's going to keep going as long as I can reach. I'll be curious to see. Oh, we got some good farting slime as well. Just how far you could stretch one of these little tubs before it snapped. And I know it snapped not because it didn't have the stretch, just because it had got so thin. Because this, I was surprised. It felt like it wasn't going to, it felt like it was going to tear. But it just wants to keep stretching, which is really cool. It is doing what it said it would. That's really cool. And really satisfying. Last one, your classic green, which I can't get into. My hands are also going quite numb. It's not that much of a cold day today, but it doesn't take long for my fingers to go. Look at that green. Look at the stretch. That is quite the stretch. I'm going to have fun with this. Well, that is literally... Oh, this is a good one. Oh, this brings me back to my childhood. I loved that you could get farting slime. Right. So, yes, this is worth $3.99. You get a lot of slime there. It's all good stuff. There isn't a bad one in the bunch. I have now, I might get some more of this, or I think I think I'll set a rule for myself. Apart from like the odd thing here or there that just came as a batch, I'm going to try and keep it to one type. So by that I mean, like, I can't go out and get another pack of this just because it's got colours I'm going to want to use. But if I buy something and it's a 4-pack of the same, then equally that can be all used. I think that'll be a fair rule for what I'm planning. So yeah, we'll look forward to that. I don't know when it's going to be. I'm going to try and get a bit more slime together as of yet. See what colours I'm missing. Try and find those colours in the slime world. And then yeah, that's going to be fun. But yeah, if anyone's looking for some good quality slime for a kid or an adult, $3.99. You get quite a bit there. The tubs are really well sealed, so if they're upside down, they're not going to leak out. They're going to stay soft. Good stuff. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you found this insightful. I hope it's piqued your curiosity for what I've got up and coming. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be very, very interesting. Something that I have never done before. I don't know if it's ever been done before, actually. Well, not the art idea. Possibly. There's a lot of different minds out there. Like if you like what you see, comment if you got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. And you want to know what this is going to be. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.